Welcome guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can change your camera in the FIFA 23. Okay, so first of all we have to open customized settings and next we have to go for the normal settings. Right now just open game settings and switch to the camera tab with R1. As you can see right here we can find few camera options for single player, multiplayer, lock to player camera, pro clubs and be a keeper. You can also change the default settings by using custom. So for example you can change camera zoom or camera speed and also enable or disable the power shot zoom. And when you switch the camera you will also get the preview on the right side, so you will know how the change apply. So you can pick your favorite. Honestly, I can recommend you this. For me, it's the best to play, or maybe also this one is really good because you got more view on your screen. So you are able to spot players, for example, on the wings. That's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.